the sunshine after the rain. Hi mga friendship, mga beshies. So, today, meron ng araw. Unlike yesterday, it was really raining buong araw. And, good luck. Dahil mainit na naman ngayon. So, we're back to business again. So early in the morning and so early mabaho the surrounding. I don't know what's the reason. Only in this area it smells stinky. Oh, parang amoy ano, tae ng aso or what. TMI. I'm sorry guys if I gross you, but that is, wow, the sun on my face. Today is such a beautiful morning, everyone, because it's so cold. I like cold weather, but not the super cold weather, okay? Just the cold, 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 chilly, chilly air.
Chilly, chilly air. Wow. May chilly na hangin.
Yes. Chilly, chilly air. Saba, oy, why you laughing? Huh? Devil. Where's the devil? Wow. The sun is so bright, but it's fine because it's cold. Cold mornings, like December's when Christmas or holidays approaching. That kind of air here in the Philippines. Oh, so beautiful. I'm gonna show you the sea, guys. Hi friends, we're home na, and I'm going to eat na, and let me show you what I'm going to eat for breakfast, guys.
Last week po man to.
So ito guys, avocado. Why is it that in person it looks orangey yellow,
Ang
but
kanang kuan?
in this video it looks yellow lang, plain yellow. Weird. So yeah, it looks more exciting sa person, guys, than this one.
Di lang tungod pa.
Ang laki niya, di ba? This is
Ikaw masabi diha ba?
from my
Ayaw di sa
aunt's.
kus minto man diha.
This is my aunt's plants, diba?
Di lang tungod.
Oh, yan.
Ingay naman.
Daubanan.
So yun, kain tayo ng avocado. Ang laki naman ng ano niya, oh, ng seed. Compared to my hand, di ba? It's kind of big. And delicious. It's very rare to find avocado that is so pretty like this. Kasi pag pumunta ka sa ano market, ang pangit ng avocado. Tapos marami pang mga ugat-ugat or something.
Ugat-ugat.
Yeah. Kain na.
Ako
Magwapa kay Mao. Wa joy ka nang kuan, wala joy ka nang sana ka nang ugat. Nulay lata. Lagi niya awa ka nang dagi kana manggong kwaon ang avocado kay kanang netra mangguna niya makuan jud ba sana mamurag bisag sa net kanang murag ba maundak ba no? Ang kaning avocado inikuha hinayon jud ni.
Oh, hinayon kay mabunog na kami, bati na kayo.
Dali kay mabunog. So I'm here outside, guys, and I did not go with Rookie to fetch the kids this afternoon. I wasn't feeling so well. I just woke up from a nap and look at myself. Look at my face. Look so shiny, and I haven't taken a shower yet. I'm still wearing the same shirt, diba? And my shorts. So I'm chilling here with the dogs. I gave them bread. They were so excited. There's Ben looking. So I'm just chilling here outside, guys. Kasi it's so breezy. Can you see there? What? Tam. What tam? Tam. Oh, dagol. So, can you see over there? There's a lot of plants. Rookie cut all the plants there, the old plants, because it was so big and bushy already. It's covering the window, and he replaced it with plants that are in the pot. So he removed everything because there are a lot of ants too. So he removed everything. It was planted on the ground, but he replaced it with the ones that are on pots. So marami pa rin. Let me show you. Oh, I cannot flip the screen. Too bad. I thought that I could flip the screen while filming, so it's not gonna happen. So ayan. Ayan si Tom. He was so restless a while ago, but now he's calm. Kasi I don't have food na. And there's Ben. Ang ganda ng hangin, guys. It feels so relaxed outside. And look at our, I don't know, we call that manchinitas tree, but Rookie also cut the one because there's been a lot of leaves over here. Since lately the wind was so strong. Since lately the wind is just so strong, and there are a lot of leaves falling. It seems like we're experiencing fall here too in the Philippines. Yeah, so he cut all the branches there. As you can see, it's a little bare already, but since now it's almost 5, there's no sun, so it's okay to be outside, and the breeze is just so good too. Look at Tom. This is my tummy. Tummy. Yan. Chill lang muna ako dito, guys, sa labas. Para wala naman yung scratchiness sa throat ko. Okay.